So friends, as you already know that Valorant porting is not working right now. After the new Valorant update, Valorant porting is kind of broken and you already know that how much useful Valorant porting is. So I have found a workaround in which you can download 3 to 4 files and easily fix Valorant porting. You can export fully textured character models and fully textured gun model into Blender very easily with the help of Valorant porting. So I will explain step by step how to fix Valorant porting. So friends, as you can see that we are back on our computer screen and our Valorant porting is working fine. Okay, you can see that the most of the agents are loaded, most of the weapon skins are loaded, and most of the gun buddies are also loaded. So overall the Valorant porting is working very fine. Okay, so how did I fix Valorant porting? I used a very simple logic. You know that earlier Valorant used to run on Unreal Engine 4, but now it is running on Unreal Engine 5. Okay, so what if we use the pack files of Unreal Engine 4 and load the characters, because you can see most of the characters are loaded here and we don't need to retexture it continuously every time because I hate retexturing characters. Okay, so why not use the Unreal Engine 4 version of Valorant? Okay, some very genius guy, I don't know what he was thinking, he has made a backup of the Unreal Engine 4 version on the Internet Archive. Okay, we can use this version until the next Valorant porting update will come for Unreal Engine 5, but for now we can use this version to export most of the characters, most of the gun models and most of the gun buddies into Blender fully textured with just one click. Yeah, so we just need to download a 30 GB file. We have infinite storage, infinite bandwidth, so I know you can download it guys, but if you don't have, still you need to do something. At least you need to download it, then only you can actually extract the characters and then import it into Blender. Okay, so you need this 27 GB file. I will give you the website link in description. You can just go visit this website and you can click on this show all file. You don't need to download everything, you just need to download this latest patch for Valorant Unreal Engine 4.3 27.9 GB file. Just click on it and it will start downloading. I recommend to use IDM or other internet downloader, otherwise it will take a lot of time to download. Just press shift button and the download will start. For now our Valorant Unreal Engine 4 version is downloading. Until then I will tell you how to download latest version of Valorant porting. Okay, so for downloading that you just need to come on this website. I will give you the link in description. Here you need to click on this Valorant porting version 1.1 latest. Just click here and then you can see there are two files available here. One is Valorant Porting Blender.zip and other is Valorant Porting exe. The first one is main Valorant Porting and the second one is the plugin that we will install into Blender. Okay, so we need to download both of these files. Just press on each one of them and it will start downloading. So friends, as you can see that I have already downloaded the Valorant Unreal Engine 4 version. So just right click on it and then you can either use 7-zip or you can either use WinRAR to extract this file. Just extract this file and wait for some time because it will take a lot of time because it's a 30 GB file and extracting it will be slow. Okay, once you have extracted it, just open the folder and again just open the folder and here you will find many folder. I have deleted most of them. You need to just go to this packs folder. Okay, just double click on this packs folder. You can see there are many pack files. These are the pack files that we will use to extract the Valorant characters and Valorant guns. Okay, so we need to just copy this pack file location, and once you have copied the pack file location, you can go to the place where you have downloaded the Valorant Porting exe that I have told you to download from the website. Just double click to open this Valorant Porting exe and then press run button. And if anything comes to download the net runtime or whatever, just make sure to download it. And now just click on this three dot and paste that file location here. Okay, you can see nothing is appearing here, then it means you are on right place. Just press select folder and then press continue. Okay, you can see that the Valorant porting has started working, and the good thing is it has loaded all the characters. It is that simple guys, it is that simple. Okay, so you can see the agents have been loaded, the weapon skins are also loaded, and the gun buddies are also loaded. Easy. So friends, for now we will just close the Valorant porting, and the first thing we will do is install the Valorant porting add-on, otherwise our Valorant porting is useless. Okay, so just go to that place where you have downloaded the Valorant porting add-on. You can see Valorant porting blender.zip. This is the add-on we have downloaded. We don't need to extract it. Okay, so just copy this location and then open your Blender. Okay, here go to this edit, then go to the preferences and then go to the add-ons, and here click on this drop down arrow and then click on install from disk and then paste the download location here. Okay, you can see Valorant porting blender.zip add-on has already been available here. Just click on it and then press on install from disk. Okay, you can see that the Valorant porting add-on has been installed, and you can see we need to enable it. If it is enabled for you then it's okay, but if it not then you can enable it, and then once you
you have done this, just click on save preferences and then close this. Okay, now you are ready to use the Valorant porting. Okay, just delete everything here, open your Valorant porting. So I will just open my Valorant porting exe, just press run here and wait for some time. You can see that the characters are loaded. So we will export the jet model into Blender. So just select jet and then click on send to Blender and wait for some time. Okay, it will take time to actually import the character into Blender, but we need to wait patiently. Okay, you can see that the characters have been imported into Blender very easily, and actually it has imported all three models. Okay, if I first click on this CS model, you can see in the collection tab, if I click on this CS model and then click on this move button, I can move the character select model here, and then click on this FP in outliner. You can see I can select the first person model and we can move it outside, and this one is the third person model. Okay, you can see that the Valorant porting has given us all the three models. Okay, and the good thing is texture. You can see already the bones are available here, and if I turn on the material preview, damn, the character is textured and it looks perfect. It's using the shader, I don't know why, but this shader looks kind of cool. Okay, and if for some reason, by the way, it happens very rarely, if for some reason your gun is not coming into Blender and you have already set up the plugin properly, you can see that my gun has not came into Blender right now, and I have already set up the Valorant porting plugin properly. Then very simple fix is just go to the edit, then go to preferences, then go to add-ons, search Valorant porting here. Valorant porting, you can see this is the Valorant porting. Just disable the plugin and again enable the plugin. Now your gun will be imported. Okay, you can see, let me try again. Just select your gun and then press send to Blender. You can see, damn, the gun has came into Blender and it's fully textured. Yeah, so it is that easy. If you ever face this problem, just disable and re-enable the plugin. The Valorant porting will be fixed. Okay, so this is how you import guns. And by the way guys, let me tell you, Zane has already told that he is working on new Valorant porting update. You don't need to use the Unreal Engine 4 version because it will not have the latest skin that are coming to Blender. The Unreal Engine 5 update of Valorant porting will come, and the Zane, the developer, has already teased it release and how it will look like. Let me show you. So you can watch that video in Valorant 3D editing server if you go to the announcement channel. So yeah, you can see this is the video, and if I play it, you can see this is how the new Valorant porting will look like, and Zane has already worked on it. Okay, so you can see the UI is fixed right now, and the gun skins are a little bit bigger, so you can see what guns you are actually exporting. You can search the weapon easily, and I think yeah, now you don't need to install the plugin into Blender. You can directly install the plugin with the help of the Valorant porting. So yeah, he is working on it. He has already said, you can see, been a while since he has his Valorant porting V2 version. He is working on it, but since there are a lot of exam he is facing, so the release of the Valorant porting V2 is delayed. For now, I have already tried to show you a workaround for the Valorant porting version 1. Use that, and when the Valorant porting V2 update has been released, just use it and enjoy making amazing Valorant renders and character, guys. And if you enjoyed my video, make sure to like my video and subscribe my channel. And if you can support me, please purchase a membership on my channel. I really need your help. Okay guys, till then, see you. Goodbye. Your favorite YouTuber, Warlord Tutorial, signing out. And make sure to tag me if you make some amazing render with the help of Valorant porting, guys. See you later. Goodbye.